Hi then guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover and save Word document. Sometimes we're working on a project and on Microsoft Word, or you could do that in Excel as well, and for some reason it didn't save, um, or you forgot to save it. So how do you recover that? You've done most of your work on this and suddenly for some reason it didn't save or you forgot to save it. So how do you recover that? You could do that from Microsoft Word itself. You don't need any software, anything to recover it. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first thing we need to do, in this example, I'm not going to save this deliberately, so don't save. So now I just realized I didn't save my document and I need, I worked on it and I need to recover that as soon as possible. So what do? We go to Word first. Word open, then we go to open here. When it comes to that home page, you go to open here and you see a option here, recover unsaved documents. You click on that and you'll see the document which you haven't saved. So if you go in the other documents that you haven't saved it, you'll see the name of the documents there. So what you do, you click on it, open. Now you got your document back. So make sure you guys save it this time, guys. And if that has helped, please do click that like button. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.